Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the human body. You know, we spend so much time looking out at the cosmos, pondering the mysteries of distant galaxies and black holes. But right here, within each of us, is a universe of complexity, an intricate biological machine that performs countless miracles every single second. From the electrical storms within our brains to the microscopic architects rebuilding our skeletons, the human body is a testament to the elegant and sometimes baffling processes of nature. It's a self-regulating, self-repairing, and utterly astounding piece of evolved engineering. I often marvel at how we carry this incredible biological payload through our daily lives, often without a second thought to the sheer symphony of operations occurring beneath our skin. We are, in essence, walking, talking ecosystems, each component finely tuned and interconnected in ways that science is still working to fully comprehend. The scale of these operations, from the molecular to the systemic, is truly mind-boggling. We're about to embark on a journey through some of the most remarkable aspects of this personal cosmos. So, prepare to have your perspective shifted, your curiosity ignited. We're going to explore 10 facts about your very own body that highlight its incredible design and capabilities. These aren't just trivia, they are windows into the profound story of life itself, as expressed through the human form. Get ready to be amazed by these incredible facts. You might just find that the most extraordinary frontier for exploration is the one you inhabit every day. Consider the 3-pound marvel nestled within your skull, the human brain. It's the command center, the seat of consciousness, the architect of your thoughts, dreams, and emotions. But did you know that this intricate network of neurons, this biological supercomputer, generates a surprising amount of electrical power? We're talking about approximately 23 watts. Now, that might not sound like a colossal figure in an age of gigawatt power stations, but think about it. That's enough consistent energy to power a dim light bulb. Your brain right now, as you process these words, is aglow with electrical activity. This isn't just some abstract energy. It's the very currency of thought, the spark that allows for the transmission of information across synapses, creating the complex tapestry of your mental world. Imagine billions of tiny batteries all working in concert, facilitating every sensation, every memory, every decision. The sheer efficiency of this biological power generation is something engineers can only dream of replicating on such a compact and sophisticated scale. It underscores the profound energy required for consciousness itself, a constant hum of activity that defines our waking and even our sleeping lives. It's a personal power plant dedicated to the art of thinking and being. Let's journey to another sensory marvel, your nose. It's more than just an entryway for air, it's an incredibly sophisticated chemical detector, capable of discerning a vast and nuanced world of scents. Current estimates suggest that the human nose can remember and differentiate between an astonishing 50,000 different scents. That's an immense olfactory library, a catalog of aromas that can transport you through time, evoke powerful emotions, or warn you of danger. From the subtle perfume of a blooming flower to the comforting aroma of a favorite meal, your nose is constantly sampling and interpreting the chemical composition of your environment. This remarkable ability stems from a complex system of olfactory receptors located in a small patch of tissue high up in your nasal cavity. When odor molecules bind to these receptors, they send signals directly to the olfactory bulb in your brain, which is intimately linked with the limbic system, the brain region associated with memory and emotion. This explains why a particular scent can so vividly trigger a long-forgotten memory or a sudden wave of feeling. It's a primitive, yet profoundly powerful sense that enriches our experience of the world in ways we often take for granted. Each breath is an invitation to explore this invisible landscape of aromas. Now, here's a fact that might sound a bit peculiar, perhaps even a little unsettling at first, but it speaks volumes about the chemical composition of our bodies. The average human body contains enough fat to produce approximately 7 bars of soap. Yes, you heard that correctly. While we often associate body fat with health concerns or aesthetic considerations, it's fundamentally a store of energy, composed of triglycerides. And these triglycerides, through a chemical process called saponification, can indeed be transformed into soap. This process involves reacting the fat with a strong alkali, like lye. Of course, I'm not suggesting you embark on any home-based soap-making projects using your own biological resources. But this fact provides a rather stark illustration of the raw materials we're made of. It demystifies the body a little, reminding us that we are, at a fundamental level, collections of chemicals. Fat is an essential component for survival, providing insulation, protecting organs, and storing energy. The notion that it could also be a precursor to a cleansing agent is just another curious facet of our biological makeup, a quirky intersection of biochemistry and everyday objects. It's a reminder that even the most mundane substances can have surprising connections to our own physiology. Consider a common yet rather extraordinary human reaction: blushing. That sudden reddening of the face, neck, or upper chest, often triggered by embarrassment, shyness, or even romantic attention. What makes this physiological response so fascinating is that, as far as current scientific understanding goes, humans are the only species known to blush. While other animals might exhibit changes in skin coloration for camouflage or mating displays, the specific involuntary vascular response we call blushing, tied to social and emotional cues, appears to be uniquely ours. This phenomenon is controlled by the sympathetic nervous system, the same system that governs our fight-or-flight response. When triggered, it causes blood vessels in the skin to dilate, increasing blood flow and leading to that characteristic flush. Why did we evolve this particular trait? The exact evolutionary purpose is still a subject of debate among scientists. Some theories suggest it's an honest signal, a non-verbal cue that communicates genuine emotion, perhaps fostering trust or appeasement within social groups. It's an involuntary admission of our internal state, a visible manifestation of our complex social and emotional lives, making us, quite literally, wear our hearts on our sleeves, or rather, our cheeks. We often think of our skeletons as static, unchanging structures, the rigid framework upon which our bodies are built. But the reality is far more dynamic, far more alive. Your human skeleton is a constantly remodeling tissue, and it essentially renews itself completely roughly every 10 years. This means the bones that support you today are not entirely the same bones that supported you a decade ago. It's a remarkable feat of continuous biological maintenance, a testament to the body's incredible capacity for self-repair and adaptation. This process of bone remodeling involves two main types of cells: osteoclasts, which break down old or damaged bone tissue, and osteoblasts, which build new bone tissue to replace it. This delicate balance ensures that your skeleton remains strong, can repair fractures, and adapts to the stresses placed upon it. Think about that for a moment. You are quite literally rebuilding your internal scaffolding on a continuous basis. It's a slow, methodical process, largely unseen and unfelt, yet crucial for your long-term health and mobility. Your bones are not inert minerals, they are a living, evolving system within you. Place your hand over your chest. That rhythmic thump you feel, that's your heart, a tireless engine working ceaselessly to keep you alive. And the sheer workload of this vital organ is astounding. Your heart beats approximately 100,000 times every single day. Day in, day out, without conscious effort, it contracts and relaxes, pumping life-sustaining blood throughout your entire body. Over an average lifetime, that adds up to billions of beats, a staggering display of endurance and reliability. Each of those 100,000 daily beats propels blood through a vast network of arteries, veins, and capillaries, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every cell and removing waste products. Consider the volume. Your heart pumps about 2,000 gallons of blood each day. It's a muscular marvel, a biological pump of incredible efficiency and resilience. This relentless rhythm is the soundtrack to your existence, a constant reminder of the powerful, life-sustaining processes occurring within you, a personal metronome ticking away the moments of your life with unwavering dedication. Now, let's venture into the labyrinthine world of your digestive system, specifically to the small intestine. If you were to take this remarkable organ and stretch it out to its full length, it would measure, on average, about 22 feet, or nearly 7 meters. That's roughly 4 times your own height. It's an incredible feat of biological packaging that this extensive tube, responsible for the majority of nutrient absorption, is intricately coiled and folded to fit neatly within your abdominal cavity. The immense length of the small intestine isn't just for show, it's crucial for its function. This extended pathway, lined with countless tiny finger-like projections called villi, and even smaller microvilli, massively increases the surface area available for absorbing nutrients from the food you eat. We're talking about a surface area comparable to a tennis court, all packed inside you. It's a testament to nature's ingenuity, maximizing efficiency in a confined space. Every meal you consume embarks on this long, winding journey, ensuring your body extracts the vital building blocks it needs to thrive. Here's a fact you might not often contemplate, yet it's happening constantly. You produce a significant amount of saliva every single day. On average, a healthy human adult generates about 1 to 1.5 liters of saliva daily. To put that into perspective, that's enough to fill a medium-sized soda bottle, or even 2 or 3 standard water bottles every 24 hours. While it might seem like a lot of fluid, saliva plays a multitude of critical roles in your oral health and digestive processes. This watery secretion, produced by salivary glands in and around your mouth, is far more than just moisture. It contains enzymes like amylase that begin the process of breaking down carbohydrates the moment food enters your mouth. Saliva also lubricates food, making it easier to swallow and pass down the esophagus. Furthermore, it has antibacterial properties helping to cleanse your mouth, neutralize acids produced by bacteria, and protect your teeth from decay. So, this constant subtle flow is a vital, underappreciated contributor to your overall well-being. The world around us is a vibrant tapestry of colors, and our ability to perceive this rich spectrum is thanks to the incredible sophistication of the human eye. It's estimated that the human eye can distinguish between approximately 10 million different colors. Pause for a moment and consider that number. From the deepest indigo of a twilight sky to the faintest blush of a rose petal, your eyes are constantly processing and interpreting an immense range of hues, shades, and tones, painting your visual reality. This extraordinary capability is primarily due to specialized photoreceptor cells in your retina called cones. Most humans have 3 types of cones, each sensitive to different wavelengths of light, broadly corresponding to red, green, and blue. It's the combined input from these cones, processed by your brain, that allows you to perceive the full kaleidoscope of colors. While the universe is awash with a much broader electromagnetic spectrum, our eyes are exquisitely tuned to this particular vibrant slice, allowing us to navigate, appreciate, and interact with our colorful world in profound detail. Finally, let's consider the organ that encases your entire being, your primary interface with the external world, your skin. Often overlooked, your skin is, in fact, the body's largest organ. If you could lay it out flat, the skin of an average adult would cover an area of about 20 square feet, or nearly 2 square meters. That's a substantial amount of tissue, performing a multitude of vital functions every second of your life, from protecting you against pathogens to regulating your body temperature. This remarkable organ is a complex, multi-layered structure. The outermost layer, the epidermis, provides a waterproof barrier and creates our skin tone. Beneath it, the dermis contains tough connective tissue, hair follicles, and sweat glands. And deeper still, the hypodermis is made of fat and connective tissue. Your skin is not just a passive covering, it's a dynamic sensory organ, packed with nerve endings that allow you to feel touch, pressure, pain, and temperature. It's constantly renewing itself, shedding old cells and generating new ones, a resilient shield and a sensitive communicator all in one. And there you have it, 10 glimpses into the astonishing universe that is your own body. From the electrical whispers of your brain to the vast expanse of your skin, we've journeyed through some truly mind-blowing realities. It's clear that the human body is not just a collection of parts, but an integrated, dynamic, and profoundly complex system, honed by eons of evolution. Each fact we've explored today is a reminder of the elegance and efficiency inherent in our biology, performing feats that often dwarf our most advanced technologies. The more we learn, the more we realize how much there is still to discover. Science is continually unraveling new layers of understanding about how our bodies function, heal, and adapt. This journey of discovery isn't just for scientists in labs, it's for all of us. By appreciating the marvels within, we can foster a deeper connection to ourselves and a greater respect for the delicate balance that sustains life. The universe isn't just out there. A significant and wondrous part of it resides within you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these facts, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. We're passionate about exploring the wonders of science from the cosmic to the cellular. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of the human body. There's always more to learn, more to be amazed by, and more to understand about this incredible vessel that carries us through life. Until next time, keep looking up and looking within.